there are two things that are true that I want to lift up right now. One is that if you experience any kind of oppression, certainly if you experience class oppression, but also if you put like gender and race oppression on top of that, you're having to navigate and juggle so much stuff and like work really hard. And I've been doing economic justice work for 15 years. And what I'm very clear about as just a truth is that people work hard. So that's just true. The other thing that is true is that we all have inherent worth regardless of how hard we work.